Alright, y'all, welcome back to the Domino 7 show. I'm at the Gentilly Fest, well, outside of it though. Alright, so I'm getting ready to go inside. Thank God I don't have to pay a nickel or a penny or a dime or something. But I hope they ain't changed the rules, you know. Alright, how y'all doing? Alright, so let's see what's going on over here, you know. So I have to enter through here or through there. I'll figure it out. Alright. Get ready to go inside though.
So Gentilly. Y'all alright?
Gotta be an entrance somewhere. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Let me go around. I'll find an entrance somewhere. Okay. Find an entrance some damn well. I just go through here, I guess. All right, Big Bertha's barbecue. Well, I ain't gonna be here too long though. Yeah, they got food here. They got everything around here. You see? Everybody. Hey, y'all see that stage over there like last year or year before? I wasn't here last year, but I've been here the year before last though. Okay. Food here. Got soul food. I'll be right back after these messages.